Welcome to the Flavor Depot Test Kitchen. I'm Roger Speakman, confectioner. Today we're going to be making chocolate fudge. By using these Flavor Depot products, you'll save money and still be able to make a quality chocolate fudge. We're going to begin by making a caramel syrup. Start with water. Normally you would use heavy cream, but we're going to be substituting that with heavy cream flavor. Corn syrup, sugar, some salt. Blend these ingredients and take this over to the stove and bring it up to 240 degrees. Now that the caramel syrup is boiling, add the evaporated milk. Add this caramel syrup to this mixing bowl. Dark, unsweetened chocolate, milk chocolate, marshmallow cream, walnuts. Now we will add the Flavor Depot flavors into our chocolate fudge. The heavy cream flavor, we're gonna add 1 ounce. The butter flavor, bourbon vanilla flavor, in this easy measuring container. And now we can take this bowl over to the mixer. Mix this chocolate fudge into a nice smooth consistency. Put it in this container and allow it to set up. We now have a nice finished chocolate fudge. If you'd like to download this recipe and purchase these products, visit flavordepot.com.